Hi dear GET 2026 aspirants, we are launching a new course. The course is starting today onwards. Okay, the price is very less, of course. Of course, we are providing two subjects, right? What are those? Engineering mathematics and general aptitude. Of course, engineering mathematics weightage will be what? 13 questions, 13 marks. Then what about general aptitude? General aptitude will have 15 questions. Out of 15 questions, 10 questions only aptitude and 5 questions English, right? So aptitude plus English will have 15 marks. But first of all, you need to observe one particular situation. If you observe this engineering mathematics, it is what? Knowledge based, right? So if it is knowledge based, set of rules will be there for sure. According to those rules, he will design the questions. Yes or no? That's why 100% guarantee. You will get 100% marks for sure. From where? Engineering mathematics. 100% guarantee. But if you go for general aptitude, of course English is different story. But if you go for aptitude, this is a little bit tough task. Why? Because of course you have calci, scientific calci in your hand, but you have to give the proper answer to a question, right? To give the answer to question, first of all you need to understand the question, right? This is the toughest task. Here we have knowledge based, subject oriented questions will be designed. But if you go for this one, intelligence based. That's why in this case little bit tough task is there. That's why you need to concentrate logically. Of course you will have two ways. First one, logical ways will be provided and as well as smart ways. Smart ways means what? In our local language, shortcuts. Okay, logical based and as well as smart approaches will be there. But if you go for aptitude, completely logical based, logical approach will be there. Here we will have 90% guarantee for sure. Why? Because at any cost there may be a chance to get one or two tough questions, right? In that case, little bit difficult. Time will be wasted, right? That's why better to go for at least 9 marks from this one. Okay, if you concentrate heartfully and gracefully and hopefully, you can also give 10 questions, 10 answers for sure. That is another issue. But if you go for this one, 13 marks confirm. 10 out of 10, 9 marks will be there for sure. So our guarantee is what? 13 plus 10, total 23 marks weightage will be there. Of course, we'll have 5 English questions. We can discuss these 5 questions also, need not to worry. Very less phase is there, I think 3,999, right? So that's why better to purchase it as early as possible, right? Why? Because we'll have 1 year story, right? So February to February, be careful, March or February to March, whatever. So 2026, what is our target? 2026, 25 marks. That's our vision. So that's why 25 plus of course 13, 28 marks. Of course we'll have one more doubt here. What about the remaining 72 questions? These 72 questions are nothing but core subject oriented, right? From your core subject, we'll have 72 questions. Engineering mathematics, it is common for all. Okay. And what about this one? These two subjects also common for all. That's why our vision is what? 28 marks is our target. That's why better to go for the course as early as possible. Okay. Every day new questions will be launched for sure and explanation will be there. And of course grand test also is there and topic wise test will be there. But my vision is what? Our vision is very easy and important task. Observe it clearly. First of all, you need to observe basic level videos of all topics. It may be engineering mathematics or quantitative aptitude. Okay, after observing these all videos, you can go for PYQ questions. After PYQ questions, you can go for basic level examination oriented sets. Set 1, 2 up to dash 50 sets will be there for sure. Right? These are the basic level thoughts we have. First one, basics. To get the idea or to get the basic knowledge on subject, you have to learn basic level videos first. Next one, PYQ. So what are the questions he is asking? What will be the next level questions? Those are discussed in this PYQ. Right? Then what about set 1, 2, 3? These are what? Our own experimental questions. So practice purpose. This is our basic thought process. That's why better to go for the course, observe the videos and happily you can purchase. What is our target? Target is 28 marks. Don't lose the best opportunity. All the best.